Have you ever wondered why we keep using flour, sugar, eggs, and butter in almost every baking recipe? Are they really that important? Well, today I'm about to spill the tea on how these 4 ingredients work together to create cakes, cookies, and all that yummy goodness. So let's break it down simple, fun, and straight to the point. The first one, flour. This is like the skeleton of your cake. It gives structure and strength. When you mix your flour with water, proteins inside called gluten form stretchy strands. These strands trap air bubbles from your leavening agents like baking powder or eggs and help your cake rise. But here is the catch. If you mix too much, gluten gets too strong. How do you fix this? Mix your batter gently. Stop as soon as the flour disappears. Next is sugar. Yes, it makes things sweet, but that is not all. Sugar tenderizes. It pulls water from other ingredients to slow down gluten development. This keeps your cake soft and moist. Sugar also helps your cake brown beautifully in the oven. The third one is eggs. Eggs, the binders and the lifter. Egg whites give structure when baked. They dry out and set, helping hold your cake together. What about egg yolks? Egg yolks add richness and flavor. They also emulsify, meaning they help mix fat and water-based ingredients into a smooth batter. Warning: always use room temperature eggs for baking. They mix more evenly and trap air better. The number 4 is butter or fat, which is the moisture and flavor maker. Finally, let's talk butter or fat in general. Butter does 2 magical things. It adds moisture and packs flavor. Fat coats the flour proteins, stopping too much gluten from forming. This keeps your cake tender and crumbly instead of chewy. Different fats bring different results. Butter for flavor, oil for extra moistness. So there you have it. Flour, sugar, eggs, and butter. The fantastic 4 of baking. Each one has a job, and together they create magic in your oven. When you understand their roles, you are not just following recipes anymore. You are baking with confidence. This is Cakes by La Unique, and where we bake with love, passion, and a sprinkle of magic. See you in the next class.